In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from one Google Drive account to another. Whether you're trying to transfer files between personal and professional accounts or sharing with someone else, this process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to begin by navigating to your Google Drive homepage, which you can easily access by going to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Here, make sure you're logged into the Google account that has the files you wish to move. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. Next, start by selecting the files you want to move. You can do this by simply clicking on each file once, and if there are multiple files, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking to select more than one. You'll notice your selected files are highlighted. Now with these files highlighted, right-click on one of them. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to find and hover over the Share option and then click on it. Up pops a sharing dialog box. Here's where you'll need to input the email address of the second Google account you want these files transferred to. Carefully type the email address and double check to ensure there are no typos. It's crucial to get this right because an incorrect email could mean your files end up somewhere they shouldn't. After you're sure the email address is accurate, you'll need to set the permissions. Important to note here, these permissions are what determine how the other account interacts with your files. For transferring ownership or making sure the files can be modified, you should set the permission to Editor. To do this, find the drop down next to the email input field, usually labelled as Viewer by default, and set it to Editor. Once everything looks good, the final step in this part of the process is to click the Send button, located at the bottom right corner of the sharing dialog box. By clicking Send, you provide access to the files to the second account with editing capabilities. Now you'll need to switch over to the second Google Drive account. Log out of the current one if needed, and then log into the second account where you've shared the files. The newly shared files should appear in the Shared with Me section. From here you can choose to organize these files as you see fit, perhaps by creating new folders or moving them around within your drive, making sure they're easily accessible for your future needs. And that's it, you've successfully moved files from one Google Drive account to another. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.